Hey guys, this room has my mini fridge. But yeah, let me get it out real quick. There's so much stuff on it. I already have it unplugged. I need to grab it and get it out. So guys, this is my mini fridge. Oh my god, I'm gonna leave it off for a little bit. It's really hot then. Oh my god, wait, that burnt. Oh my god. Wait, no, because that actually really burnt. No, that really... Turn that off. So yeah, that's my vanity. Yeah. But, oh my god. Is it like leaking? Guys, I think it's leaking. Okay, so we're just gonna give this like a chill pill to this. But literally, oh my god, I bet it's this. This thing has been sitting in here open. That's weird. Let me grab my trash can. Yeah, so that can be thrown away. We might as well wipe it down too. This squasha I never use. Yeah. And then I don't even know why this is in here. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Usually my video. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe all this down, and I don't feel like going to grab both of them. I'm just gonna use these like Ham and Armor Kids Face and Body wet wipes. And it smells good. I usually know when to do makeup sometimes when I'm literally just doing random makeup just for fun. This thing is so disgusting. Anyways, I'm thinking about what I'm going to put in it, because now that I have more room, at least I guess I have more room. Guys, it's going to take a while. Oh, that did not take long at all to put in. Anyway, we'll probably need these throughout the video. Probably need this throughout the video to wipe off any of the skincare products that were in there. Actually, I'm just going to wipe off all my gua sha things. Like, I definitely need to wipe it off. Okay. I had to just set it back on my carpet. It's fine. We'll wash her off again. This thing is definitely leaked over. Ordinary with just, I don't even know what's in it at this point, but it's just gonna stay in there, you know, just cause. And then I usually, this one is normal. See, normal. Anyways, so this one's also gonna go in there because it usually is in there. I don't even know what's gonna fit in like this little basket part right there. I mean, something might fit. A lot of my stuff is still, it's not unpacked from when I was at my friend's house. Okay, I'll do stuff that is unpacked. Ooh. I don't know, this probably fit. Oh my god, how does this not fit? Okay, this is kind of thick, but that doesn't fit on nothing else that's gonna fit. Oh, I'm just gonna grab some product. I keep almost falling. Guys, I'm just gonna go grab all this stuff from my sleepover. Okay guys, I'm back. It's gonna take a while because like my iPad doesn't let me pause and like unpause it. And maybe like go to YouTube. Well, YouTube, when I do YouTube, I don't have sound. This is what everything I usually use. Honestly, I might put this in there. Yeah, doesn't fit. This will go on the top though. It's like his eyelash there. Okay, I guess it's going on that side. Unzip this. Slam dunk. Fit perfectly. Some Carmex. This is gonna stay on the vanity. This isn't gonna fit whatsoever. Go on the top, and I'm not just gonna lay it down like that. So nice. This beauty blender, honestly, I use for the crazy makeup. She let me keep. Should I stick it in there? Like spray it and stick it in there. Yeah, I want to see if it freezes. Anyways, my Laneige, I guess, could go in there. And then this thing could go in the little basket. Yeah. Yeah, wait. This can go on the top though. You know what? And then that's really all. Oh my god, wait, that was super quick. Not quicker than I thought. You had all my minis in there, I guess. Well, minis that actually have stuff in them. Got these random minis right here. I don't know, my mom said, like, Remy, I just found all these minis. Do you want them? And I just said, yeah. It just says moisturizer, hey, honey, boosted up honey rich moisturizer. And it fits, but it can't go on the top. So I might put it on the bottom. So it's going on the top. Yeah. Oh my god, I need, guys, there's an earring in this one. Anyway, this is this Be Gentle, Be Kind avocado and kiwi mega moisture superfood mask. There's like food. That's kind of gross, but you know, you get random things when you buy random things. Next, this is a Hydrate and Renew Blushing Night Cream. I don't really use it. It's supposed to like make you glow in the morning. Kind of tinted. I've used it once or twice. I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty much the restock. Oh yeah, these. There's really nothing on them. Okay, and then yeah, we're just gonna set these in there. And my mini fridge looks so much better. Wait, yeah, it looks a lot better. Trust. Now we're gonna plug it in, and yeah, probably the quickest video. Peace. Anyways, bye guys. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.